All right, it's time to talk about flams. This next chapter of the DVD is going to cover all the flam rudiments in the book. So every section or every lesson in the book with flams, it's going to be covered right here. We're going to go to several different countries with our backing tracks. We're going to go to the Far East. We're going to go to Trinidad, where the steel pan is from. We're going to go to Brazil and play some bossa nova. And then we're coming back to the US of A, play some rock and roll and jazz. All right, so let's get started with the flam. A flam is two separate notes, a grace note and a primary note, played very closely together. The grace note is very soft, followed by the primary note, which is louder. So the grace note, you just want to drop the stick on the pad. Primary note follows it. A good thing to be practicing on one hand, then with the left hand. The spacing of the grace note and the primary note should be fairly close. And depending on what you're playing, it's going to differ a little bit. We're going to go right on to exercise 1 in lesson 8, which has something we call fake flams. And I'm going to demystify the fake flam. To some people, they might think this is difficult. All we're going to do is play a flam and not play the primary. Just fake it. So we're going to focus on the grace note. Those are fake flams. So let me play exercise number 1, which is 1, 2, 3. The next rudiment is a flam accent, which is basically a triplet starting with a flam. These are flam accents. All right, now I'm going to play exercise number 4 in lesson 8 at tempo 3.